I pack. So, and then hey y'all, so today is finally packing day. I have been procrastinating. I'm leaving in 2 days, and you see all this stuff is still on the rack. I gotta put all my stuff in the bag, and then I need to pack my toiletries and do all the things. Life has been lifing, and I have not had a moment, but I'm finally gonna make it happen because I have no choice. Now, y'all, the trick is that I wanna fit everything into the smaller bag. Like, do you think I can do it? Like, can I get all of these into that small little bag? So I don't know, like I'm hoping that I can, but then I'm thinking I should try to carry, well, the main thing is that I don't have enough clothes or things to put in the bigger bag. That's the thing. This bag is going to be checked in pretty much empty because I'm going to put all my things, like all the good things that I need, because all my things are good. I don't want anything to be lost. So I'm going to try to squeeze everything that I can into this smaller bag. And this is the away bag. And I think I mentioned earlier on in one of the, I think another video, another vlog, or earlier on in this vlog, how good their customer service is. I got this bag, I believe, maybe, I don't know, I think it was in 2017 or 2018, around that time, but they have excellent customer service. The first time the zipper broke, and they immediately sent me something new. Like, excellent, can't complain. And I have been able to squeeze a lot of stuff in that bag. So, all right, let's see if we can do it. All right, y'all, so this is the inside of the bag. So you see there's one section here. This section, I usually put like my shoes and things. And then in this section, you can put like other little items. Here, I would put like umbrella, pocketbooks, like purses, whatever. In this like section right here, you can see I'm old school because I be saying pocketbooks. And then this is another 2 sections where you can put things in. I usually put my pajamas, my undies, and things like that in this section. And here is the main section where I pack my clothes. And this little board thingy, it serves as a compressor. So if you have a bunch of clothing, you kind of clamp it together like so. Hold on. I don't know why I'm doing this in a dress, but this is what I had on because it's hot in here. Hold on. I'll show it to you better when I pack. So, and then so yeah, hard standing up. This is crazy, but just so you can see. So you see how it pulls tight. So if you have things in here and you want to snug it in, this will get really tight and you can kind of compress it down. That's the best part of this. So that's why I'm hoping, oh my God, can you even see me? That's why I'm hoping that, I can fit everything in this bag. All right, let's just get to packing. Y'all, I needed a little glass of Prosecco to get me in the mood. I'm about to play some tunes and get this started. So, cheers.
Cool down,
All right, y'all. I did it. Almost done. Well, I didn't do it. I wasn't able to fit everything in one bag as you saw. I'm going to show you how it looks inside, nice and neat. And it holds a lot. You see, mostly all these outfits, everything that I did in my what am I wearing in Portugal video, all of those things fit in this bag. The only thing that could not fit are the purses, the pocketbooks, whatever you want to call it. But that's okay because I need to put something in the bigger bag. These are some spare outfits. These are like what I'm going to wear back home. If I feel like putting on a dress, another pant outfit. It's like about 3 more outfits over here. And my purses and, my workout clothes, my sneakers, all that other stuff will go in that big bag. And I'm actually even thinking about bringing my yoga mat so I can possibly do yoga just to get my stretches in and things. So yeah. Okay, let me just show you the bag. So here's the bag. So as you can see, it's all full. So I was able to get all the outfits neatly packed in here. And I forgot to show you, there's another little bag, another little section that you can put things in. So I think I'm gonna put my PJs in here. I have all of my bathing suits and my sarong in this little pouch. And then I'm gonna put my undies and things in here. You see, I have in this little pouch thingy, I have 1 pair of shoes. You know what? I'm actually gonna put my Brandon Backwood bag in here, but I need to get the cover because I don't want to mess this bag up. But yeah, so, and then all these other bags will go in the suitcase, this right here. Here's the suitcase there. And, about to knock you all down. But yeah, so it fits a lot, right? Yeah, I'm gonna put my Brandon Blackwood here. But is it gonna squeeze? I don't know. Actually, no, I'm gonna put it in my carry-on. Also, y'all, they give you this cute little laundry bag. Isn't this cute? So you can put all your dirty clothes in here and not worry about them getting mixed up with your clean clothes. It's small, but it fits a lot. This whole bag, it's small, but it fits a lot. So, okay, y'all, so I am going to finish packing, getting this bag locked and loaded and done, and then start getting with the other bag, getting my workout clothes, my sneakers, all those things, these outfits, getting it all in that bag. Then tomorrow I'll pack up my toiletries and my La Pelage bag, and then the next time you will see me will be when it's time to go to the airport. All right, see you then.